Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be playing with my VIP lounge page. We're going to make some ephemera slash faux postage stamps. I have used some cotton, my digitals, and then gold leaf around just to create this lovely shiny effect. I'm quite obsessed with this little project. I haven't been playing with gold leaves for a very long time, so I was quite excited to get them out and have a little play around. Before I show you how to make these little treats, let me show you the VIP lounge papers. First main collection for the month of August is called the Vintage Lagoon. So it's a collection that's been inspired from Venice. Of course, there's been a very famous wedding happened in Venice recently, and I thought, actually, let's make and tell story about Venice in a non-fashion way. I wanted to, of course, create something that is vintage, that be shabby, of course, with my taste of being quite artistic and quite whimsical as well. This kit has 16 pages and has background of, a collection of backgrounds and ephemera. So I'm just going to go really quickly through every page. So predominantly lots of florals and a lot of Venetian masks. Of course, Venice is famous not just for the lagoon, but also for a carnival. That's the very distinctive gondolas, the St. Mark's Square, lovely mask. Now these are original. They are a collection of Italians post stamps. I remember this when I was little. So in Italy there is a euro now because we are part of Europe, but before we had the euros, we used to have lira, which is it was our currency. And I remember when I was little, with 50 lire, you used to buy a post stamp. And I remember people used to collect them as well. So this is a collection of authentic, of course, they are scanned, and some of course, are from the website. So collection of real post stamps. I'm going to do a tutorial with this. So, yeah. This is the map, the vintage map of Venice. Of course, Venice it looks like an island, but it's attached there, and then you got all the canals. And I think this is amazing if you do like travel journals, or even if you want to decorate it. Now this one, I mean, you can nobody stops you. You could simply put on a picture frame and put in your living room, but yeah, I wanted to give you quite a lot of watercolor effect photos. Okay, so they can use as a background or anything that you want. A little bit of whimsical, as I said in the beginning. So I created this background, and then I just put the hot air balloons. This is the cathedral, and I just added some florals on top. I love the watercolor effect. I hope you guys like it too. And then I basically put them into one page, all the full backgrounds, scaled them. So these will be fabulous cards, and also like vintage cards as well, which I will do a tutorial. Another background with the mask and the florals. Another one, pink. This has got like some brown and yellow and red color. It's loads of pages. This one is divided into two, so I designed this as two separate pages, split in half, but you can use as a one if you wish to. Another one with blue, predominantly blue and pink, gold and sepia. Love that. And then another one with the watercolor image and the Venetian mask. And last but not least is my favorite, because I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to get like a canvas texture. It looks like a painting, and I put the Venetian mask on the side as well. So that's the main collection. Also, every month you get a little gift from me. Okay, and this month the gift is an additional mini kit, which is called Emporium of Aristocrats. So I wanted to create something a little bit different, something a bit magical and whimsical. So it's a mini collection, so it's 4 pages. So you've got 1 page with the 2 different backgrounds. So you've got Mr. Crocodile and a lovely oh god, what do you call this in English? Oh, how do you call this? Animals, flamingos. We all regal. I love that. I wish I could wear that. Then there is another page. Oh, I missed one. There is another page with the Princess Swan and the Princess Duck. So I love them. I love the costumes. They're quite hard to Photoshop it, but I really like the effect. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. I think I got a tutorial in my head, a project that I want to do. It's a collection of like little square, which I think I'm going to make some cards. And the large one, I think I'm going to make a tag. And then there's another page here. Look at that. Look, so cute. So cute. Okay, also guys, every month you get a letter, like a 3D letter gift box. And this month we are on letter P. We've done all the alphabet so far. So this is the template. So I've got the front of the P with a lion and the back of the P with this one princess. And also because I had a lot of space here on the page, I give you an additional background with this handsome pup. I think it's so sassy and it's so I quite like his attitude. And this is what it looks like when it's all done up. So letter P. So we got the Lion King and the Princess Swan on the back, and then all the side there is this lovely floral letters. I'll show you all the alphabet. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. This is the last 3 that we've done. I got them here on my desk. Of course, these some of the alphabet, not some, from the letter A to the letter M, I guess. So it's the first letters are available on my website if you guys want to purchase them. But of course, my VIP members get them for free as part of the perk with the membership. But yeah, really happy with these. So cool. Okay, so this is the page I'm going to be using today. It's full of Italian post stamps, and also I've got, and I completely forgot, I have these in my stash. So a friend of mine, he lives in Italy, bought me this for my birthday. Lovely gesture, and I want to use it. So I'm so excited. So now what I want to do, he also got me lots of different like Japanese Asian papers. So I think we're gonna do a separate video with those. Really excited to play with them. So what we're gonna do, guys, and it's been a long time since I have played with gold leaf. So I remember that I need a tweezer or something, but unfortunately I haven't got it. So we're going to improvise. So what I thought we're gonna do, we're going to do, of course we're gonna make the stamps, but also I think I'm going to use some of this cotton canvas that is lying around in my stash, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. And then put the stamps on top of that, and then maybe pull some gold leaf. But I'm gonna see. I'm going to cut them all and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I made a couple. So I made this one there. So that's our Italian post, and then that's Latin. I think is, don't ask me the year, but it's about a fair in Milan. It says Fiera Milano. So that's one. What do you guys think? I do like the grunge of the fabric, the cotton with the gold leaf. I think it works. You might disagree, but I think it works. I'm very pleased with that. This is Leonardo da Vinci. This is to celebrate the 5th century of the anniversary of the Leonardo da Vinci birth. So that was very old. It's 25 lire, so it's 25 lire, which is what, 10p now? No, it's even less than that. So yeah, again, you've got the fabric and then the gold leaf there. And last, I made this piece here, which is again, it's burgundy, and I think with the gold it really works. So what I simply do, so I'm gonna use the floral because I do like the floral stamp in there. Now, oopsie, this, when you work, exactly, so when you work with gold leaf, you need tweezers, which I don't have. So in fact, I might do, but I'm too lazy because they're probably on the opposite side of my room. So I use loads of glue. Now, I've been very lazy, but you could iron your fabric so you don't get the crease. But to be fair, as I was gluing them, I was stretching it so you get the crease away. So I cut around it. And then with my nails, sorry about the whistling, I just pull the threads until you're just happy with what it looks like. I'm gonna go a little bit more this way. It don't have to be uniform. Sorry, I've got my windows open because it's absolutely boiling today, so apologies for the noise on the background. They're gonna go. So that's the stamp attached. And then what I've done with the glue stick, just on one side, but I mean, you can frame it if you want. You can, again, no rules. You can do what you want. And just pop in the glue just on that side. And then with all the calm in the world, you use the gold leaf, and as you press it, move it so you get this sort of effect. Again, it works better if you have tweezers, but I'm being very naughty and very lazy. Am I using my finger? Yeah, I think I'm happy with this. I mean, in terms of like where you put it, it's completely up to you. Let me get it white. I need to get, sorry about the whistling, I need to get more wipes from downstairs. Yeah, okay, so that's the last one. What do you guys think? I think this super cute idea is this, to decorate journals, cards, present toppers. Super cute. Guys, I'm going to go. If you wish to join my VIP lounge papers and get all goodies every month, let me show you where to find. Okay guys, so if you click on antoniomakes.com, just here in the bar, this is my website, this is my homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there it is. So the VIP lounge, if if you are anything like me, that crafting is just a hobby, but it's like a daily joy, a moment of calm, and a space that we can together, guys, create something together with our hands, this is the platform for you. What is the VIP lounge? It's a monthly membership plan. Okay, so I've got two options. The first one, which is the monthly payment, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So digital papers, my ebook, my workshops, digital papers back sent to your email address. So I'll do this for you. Every month I send a paper to your email. You just need to check your spam or junk email box, because sometimes, depends on your privacy setting, the emails can end up there. And also get a monthly offer or a gift. This can be anything, can be a free kit, can be a discount, can be an offer on my website, etc. And also every month you get a gift box template with a private video on how to put it together. Okay, you can also decide to join yearly. So this is the best seller option. So you pay once, okay, and you subscribe for 12 months. Okay, so when you do that, of course, it's cheaper. So the subscription will last for 12 months, starting on the month that you join. You get the same, so you get 30% discount, digital paper packs, a monthly offer, a box template. But when you join the yearly subscription, you get £5 instant voucher to spend on the website. Again, you can buy any digital papers, you can get my ebook for cheaper, and of course my junk journal workshop as well. And that's the spirit behind my VIP lounge. It's a special place I create for fellow paper lovers who wants a bit more magic every month. Every month, my VIP members receive exclusive bundles and all of this, guys. So I'm really, really looking forward to have you part of this community. And it's more than just digital paper. I believe it's a year of creativity, surprise, and of course, some savings as well if you join the yearly one. I'm so looking forward, guys, to see you all in here. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. I think I'm going to make all of them because it's so therapeutic and you don't have to think about anything. Yeah, I think I'm going to make them all. Guys, I'm going to go. If you like this video, please consider giving a very big, huge, fat thumbs up because it really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get little notification to say how fabulous I am. I'm looking forward to seeing you part of my VIP lounge. I will appreciate if you're joining today. We're going to have loads of fun in the next upcoming months. Big hugs to every single one of you. And I will see you on Friday for another Friday freebie. Mwah. Bye.